Hi, everyone. I wanted to talk about discussions, classroom discussions, and how they, to me, are accountability tools. As you get into the upper grades, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, students tend to care more about what their peers think than their teachers or their parents. So holding them accountable by telling them that they have to speak with each other or share with each other, or whatever they share can get likes or upvotes, that really motivates them to take in the information and utilize it. So to me, that is a huge accountability tool. You're definitely holding them accountable for their learning. They're very motivated as well. So in this article, there are lots of 4 things to do, but the 6 softwares are really what I wanted to get into. So we have heard of Padlet. You're using a Padlet in this Canvas course as an example. But this video shows 10 uses for Padlet beyond just a question catcher or one of those things. I like Padlet mostly because you can drop a link into your Zoom chat. Students can go straight to it, and it's not a lot of go sign into this or go log into this. Just like ClassKick, you can drop the link right there, and it makes it very easy. So I love Padlet for that. And this video gives you different ways to think of uses for Padlet. If you're going to put kids in a breakout room, it's super important that you have structure and guidelines. And now that you can share your screen in those breakout rooms, you can have discussion guidelines. You can have a Padlet that you drop in that particular breakout room's chat. That breakout room is typing in that Padlet, answering questions or discussing topics, liking each other's comments. And to me, Padlet is a wonderful use for discussion. So please watch this video and let us know in our Padlet how you could use it as an accountability tool. Thank you.